I'm gonna show y'all how to contour properly and quickly. All right. So if your face is like a circle or oval or almond, this will work for you. So remember the rule, less is more. Now that we got that rule remembered, stop drawing these big ass triangles on your face. You don't need that much. A little dot on the inner corner and a dot on the outer corner of your eye will go a long fucking way. I'm wearing the LA Girl concealer. It's like $6, sis. Not that bad. Here you go. Blend away. My next tip of the day is y'all bitches is doing your nose wrong. Why y'all putting that dark ass line on your nose? Take a brush, a flat brush, and just buff this. Buff. You don't have to make a strong line. A small little line and one of these flat brushes and just go down the arch of your nose. It's better to go down the natural arches of your nose. Stop trying to create a new nose, sis. That's not what God gave you. That's not what God gave you. All right, now let's do forehead. I already sprayed some setting spray. I put some LA Girl concealer. I spray the setting spray first just because it's winter and I don't want it to break apart. Okay? So the spray is going to keep it hydrated or whatever. Now, I want to pull my hair back to show y'all. When you're doing your bronzer, right? You want to take a thick, fluffy brush and push it into your hairline. Do me a favor. Stop pushing down. Don't push down. Push away. Push the shadows away from your face. Okay? You're going to create a better blend and it's going to be a lot more defined. I'll be right back. You want to keep repeating the setting spray phase throughout your look. It's just going to keep everything faded, dewy, blended. Okay? So keep doing that all over your face. A little bit goes a long way. And this is what we called a buildable product. Right? You're going to start from this area right here. We call this the temple. And we're going to just focus on this triangle of the face right here. We're just going to start up. Your contour, you're doing it wrong. You're doing it wrong. Let me show you how to do it. Things first, dust off all that powder you put on your beauty blender. Okay, you don't need that much. Secondly, this is my secret. Spray with some setting spray, right? Now you just want to take a little. That was a. Okay. Put it under your bronzer. That's how much you're supposed to be putting from makeup artist. I'm going to show you the same thing I did on this side, right? So you're putting it right under that bronzer you did. And then put it on the laugh line. Put it on the laugh line. Then take that beauty blender and put it anywhere you feel like you get extra oily. This is for anybody who gets oily, by the way. That's a tip. Put down your T-zone. Next, you're just going to take a regular powder brush. Take all that powder off. Don't forget to take all that powder off. Always take that shit off. Right?